What is up, guys, and welcome back. So in this video we're gonna be adding some more thing. Okay, I want to add a testimonial right here. You can see I want to come here, I want to click add new section and a full width, and this should be a heading, and the heading should be what our client says, or a client say, yes. I want to drag this to center. I want to go to style right here, change the color to be black. Okay, and I want to go click here right now again, and I want to go to the typography and want to increase it. The transform to be like uppercase. Family should be open sans. Weight should be 500. Okay, and I need some padding to the top. So let's come here, and let's increase the padding. Cool. I just need this divider right here, so I want to come here, I want to hit duplicate, and just drag it, and drop it right here. Okay, I want to change the color to be like black. Okay, now I want to add the testimonial. So let's go ahead, let's just come here, and I want to add basically the columns right here down below. So now I want to add this to be like duplicate column, or we will just add it later on when we will add the testimonial. I want to come here, I want to drag this testimonial and drop it right here. So you can see this is how it is looking. So I want to click edit button to change this text. Lorem ipsum color, set emit color, adapting ELT, okay. And then we have the image right here, so I want to add an image right here. I want to go to upload files, and I want to get the picture of myself. Okay, so this is my picture. Okay, this is not my picture of just recent picture, but I know I look like, okay, just like that. So this is the John Doe. Okay, what I want to do right now is that I want to just come here and I want to hit this, and this. So I want to come here and I want to hit this, and you can see this is coming right here. So I think I should make it the full width. So I'm gonna hit edit section. I want to go to the box and I want to hit full width. Okay, we basically first need to full width this section. This is the whole section that is making. So I want to hit this to be full width and stretch. Okay, everything looks cool right here. Okay, so now we are done with our about section, I think. Okay, so now what we want to do, we want to just hit save. Okay, so this is basically the website that we are creating. I'll also show you that how can you build some more professional based website. Okay, I also want to show you some more stuff. Okay, so let's go ahead, and I want to change this basically. Okay, I want to come here and I want to show you one more thing. Let's see. I want to go to the advanced section, and I want to go to the style basically, and I want to go to the shape divider. So let's see how this shape divider works. Okay, I have this top, and this should be clouds. So you can see how this is looking. Okay, I want to go to the zigzag. So here, the zigzag is right here, or I can go to the mountains. So mountains looks good. I always use mountains. I want to increase the height, and this is the width. So we can flip it as well. I think flipping is looking good. So you can see how this is looking. I think I love this. You can see this is how the shape divider is looking. Okay. And basically, if you're just missing one thing, and that is we need to focus on the color. So we need to get this color exactly. I want to go to the white, and I think this is a bit of blue, and just decrease the blue. Okay, so I basically want to tell you one thing, and that is the color picker Chrome. Okay, this is basically a color picker, not picker. This one, color picker eyedropper. I think this is the plugin. So this is the add-on for Chrome that will just, you have to just drop it and then it will grab the color for you. So let's just add this one, ColorZilla. So check this one. I don't know what is the plugin. I forgot the name of the plugin. So this plugin is added right here. Okay, let's check this. Page color picker active. Color picker. What it is. Okay, let's come here. Let's go to the color picker right here, and how can we pick the color? Okay, yeah, this is the one. Okay, so this is how we can pick the color. So I want to come here. I want to come here to this section right here, and I want to come here and I want to hit active. So you can see this is the color that is. So I want to just click this, and you can see that the color copied to, and I want to come here and I want to paste it, and you can see that this is now totally same. So this is how this plugin works. This is for Chrome only. Okay, I'll just come here and I'll just hit cross. So now I can see that this is exactly matching like this. I want to go down, and this is my water client say section and everything. So what I want to do, I want to just hit save right now. And you can see that my website is looking really cool. No one is going to teach you how to build this type of websites, okay? Seriously, guys, they just tell you that what is a WordPress is, and basically the main thing is the design of a website, okay? Design matters a lot, guys. Design matters a lot. If you see a website and that is not good in design, will you buy from them? No, obviously no. Design matters a lot, okay? So now we are done with this section. In the next video, we'll be working up it more.